Hello everyone and welcome to GeoCO Labs. I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to discuss one of the most important topics in modern digital marketing. The biggest SEO mistakes businesses are making in 2026. Search has changed dramatically over the past few years. AI is now influencing how people search, how Google understand content, and even which websites get recommended. So, if you're still following SEO strategies from a few years ago, you could already be falling behind. In this video, we'll explore the 6 biggest SEO mistakes to avoid and the best practices that can help your website stay visible in the AI-driven search landscape. So, without further ado, let's get started. SEO has never been static. Every few years, Google introduces updates that completely change the way websites rank. In 2026, we're experiencing one of the biggest transformations yet. AI-generated search results, zero-click searches, and smarter algorithms mean that ranking on the first page is no longer the only goal. Businesses now need to optimize not just for search engines, but also for AI systems that summarize and recommend information. Before we discuss the mistakes, it's important to understand why SEO has changed. Google's AI overviews now answer many questions directly on the search result page. That means users often find what they're looking for without even clicking on any website. At the same time, Google has become much better at understanding user intent. Instead of matching keyword, it tries to understand the meaning behind every search. User experience has also become a major ranking factor. Fast websites, smooth navigations, and engaging content all influence how your page performs. The first and perhaps the biggest mistake is ignoring AI-powered search optimization. AI search engine don't simply crawl websites anymore. They read, understand, summarize, and even cite information. If your content is poorly structured, AI may completely ignore it. That's why structured data, schema markup, clear headings, and well organized content are becoming increasingly important. The easier your content is for AI to understand, the more likely it is to appear in AI generated answers. The second mistake is providing the same experience to every visitor. Google now pays close attention to how users interact with your website. Do they stay on your page? Do they scroll? Do they come back again? These signals help Google determine whether your content is valuable. Personalized recommendations, engaging layouts, and helpful content can significantly improve these engagement signals. Voice search continues to grow every year. Instead of typing, users now ask complete questions. For example, instead of typing best SEO agency, someone might ask which is the best SEO agency near me. This means businesses should optimize for natural language, create FAQ pages, and answer questions directly. These improvements also increase the chance of appearing in featured snippets. Many businesses still believe that repeating the same keyword again and again improves ranking. That approach no longer works. Google's algorithm understand context and relationships between topics. Instead of creating dozens of pages targeting similar keywords, build comprehensive pillars pages supported by related articles. This helps establish topical authority, making your website more trustworthy in Google's eyes. Technical SEO remains one of the foundations of good rankings. Google expects websites to load quickly, respond smoothly, and provide a stable browsing experience metric such as largest contentful page, interaction to next page, and cumulative layout shift measure exactly that. A slow or unstable website frustrates user and Google notices it too. AI tools are incredibly useful for content creation. However, publishing AI-generated articles without human review is a serious mistake. Google doesn't penalize AI simply because it was AI-generated. What matters is quality. Your content should demonstrate experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. Add original examples, research, expert insights, and always review AI-generated drafts before publishing. So what should businesses focus on in 2026? First, prepare your content for AI search. Second, invest in user experience and website speed. Third, build topical authority instead of isolated keyword pages. Fourth, optimize for voice search. And finally, strengthen your EEAT signals by demonstrating genuine expertise and credibility. SEO in 2026 is no longer about finding shortcuts. It's about creating content that genuinely helps users, building trust, and making your website easy for both people and AI to understand. If you avoid these common mistakes and adapt to the changing search landscape, you will be in a much stronger position for the future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to GeoCO Lab for more insights on SEO, AI search, and digital marketing. We'll see you in the next video.